Ever heard of technical SEO and wondered what it meant? Well, it's all about making your website more visible to search engines. By optimizing your site's structure and performance, you help search engine spiders crawl and index your site more effectively. Technical SEO, in essence, is making your website attractive to search engines. Imagine two store owners, each with a unique, high-quality product to sell. One owner's store is easy to find, well-organized, and welcoming. The other's, however, is hard to locate, cluttered, and uninviting. Now think of these stores as websites and their products as content. The ease of finding and navigating the store, that's technical SEO. It's about making your store accessible and user-friendly. Just like the well-organized store attracted more customers, a technically optimized website attracts more search engine attention. So, how can you make your website more attractive to search engines? Prioritize structure, speed, mobile friendliness, and security. Remember, a well-optimized website is like a well-organized store. Want to learn more about technical SEO? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more on mastering SEO.